use commas in second grade. We use commas in lists. I like dogs, comma, cats, comma, and birds. We use the commas to separate the items in our list. Dogs, comma, cats, comma, and birds. We use commas in dates. July 4th, 2001. The month comes first, then the date, comma, the year. And we use commas in friendly letters. Dear Sally. This is the greeting. Dear Sally, comma. And we use commas again in the closing. Your friend, comma, John. This is our closing. Your friend, comma, John. We use commas in quotes. She said, I love you. She said, comma, I love you. We use commas in city and states. Hampton, comma, Virginia. City, comma, state.